Today, I'm breaking down the wild ride that is Toronto's condo market right now. Here's what you need to know. The GTA has an overwhelming supply of condos covering new developments, resales, and assignments. There are nearly 40,000 units sitting on the market, which is 3 to 5 times the normal level. Now, this means a lot of condos are just sitting there unsold and not even getting any showings, leaving sellers anxious and realtors scrambling. Now, right now, sales have hit their lowest level in 30 years, with an 80% drop compared to last year. Why? Well, high borrowing costs have sidelined investors, while end user buyers are being extremely picky. Now, for anyone looking to buy, this is great news. You've got options galore and more leverage when negotiating prices. But for sellers, it's a whole different story. Without a sharp drop in interest rates, it's hard to see any major shift in the short term. From a selling perspective, it's not just about listing a property and hoping for the best anymore. Making a property stand out is key, whether perfect staging, spot-on pricing, or creative marketing strategies. The days of simply throwing a condo on the MLS and waiting for offers are over. So if you're considering an investment, the resale market offers better value than pre-construction right now. And for those thinking micro condos are still hot, well, think again. Demand for those tiny spaces have cooled off significantly as people lean towards larger units that are better suitable for their lifestyles. Plus, there's a case to be made for buying in unique neighborhoods like the Distillery District or Corktown or Queen Street West, where properties tend to offer more character than high-density downtown towers. There's also an interesting buyer dynamic happening. Investors might be okay with purchasing a condo that's tenanted, but most end users want a vacant unit. That makes tenanted properties much harder to sell, especially when buyers have plenty of choices. Gone are the days when people had to fight over suburban condos just to get something within budget. They can now find good spots in the city itself. For sellers, patience and flexibility are essential. If you can wait out this slump, great. If not, smart pricing, offering incentives, or negotiating with tenants to vacate might be necessary things to do. Ultimately, it's not about any one unit being bad. It's the market dynamics at play. Hopefully, with potential interest rate cuts, we'll see things start to shift. Until then, buyers have the edge and sellers will need to adapt. Who you work with matters.